Hello, Willy friend, and welcome back to another macro update on Stock Valley. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting yet volatility financial stock on Wall Street, Coinbase. Ticker symbol is Coin. To truly understand where Coinbase is going, we first need to look at the history. Coinbase completed its IPO back on April 14, 2021. And just like many major tech IPOs, it's immediately lost near 50% its value as the market cooled down. The stock started the dumping heavily, perfectly aligned with broader Bitcoin crash at the time. It plumped from the struggling $440 all the way down to a painful bottom of just $29. But then, the tides turned, Coinbase began a massive recovery cycle. Now, technically, the stock doesn't rise just because the Bitcoin goes up. Instead, it's all about the market perceptions. When Bitcoiners rally, investor sentiment shifts, and that psychology waves is what drives this stock heavily upward. Fast forward to June of the last year 2025, Coinbase made a powerful move and established a massive peak right around the $443. If you look closely at the chart, these peaks perfectly mirror its historical IPO levels, which is sit right between the $425–$445. After testing the mere historical ceiling, the price faced rejection has been in a steady decline. However, it's not all bad news. Let's look at the floors that have been keeping this stock alive. Since February 2024, Coinbase has managed to hold a crucial support zone between the 144–163. This isn't just a random line on the chart. This support has been heavily tested over and over again. Let's trace the dates together to see how reliable this floor is. The buyers defended this zone on September 10 and October 10, 2024. Then they defended it again on April 7, 2025, and recently on February 12 of this year. And just a few days ago, on the June 26, the price touched this exact same zone again and attempted to bouncing. This shows that the 144 and 163 range is massive institution accumulation zone. The buyers are drawn to this area. But as we zoom into the recent daily candles, we see a heavy battles taking place. Let's look at the closer at what happens every time the price tries to climb above $170. Notice these long upper wicks on the candles right above the $170. For those who are new to technical analysis, let me explain what this means. These long lines show that during the trading days, the price pushed as high as it's cooled, but before the closing bell, heavily selling pressure stepped in and forced the price back down. In charting, we call this specific formation Doji candles. A doji forms when the opening price and the closing price of the days are almost identically, creating a cross-line shapes. When you see the dojis popping up frequently at a specific price level, it tells us one thing: the market completely indecisive. Investors are looking in the psychological tug-of-war, ensure whatever to push the trends higher or reverse it downward. Ever since June 5th, Coinbase has been trapped in this state of the pure indecision. The market is filled with question mark right now. Will the stocks break the support floor, or will it gather enough strength to march back 2013? Unless a massive institutional buyer step into volume sheets, the short-term trend remains tilted downwards. Every minor rally is currently being used as a selling opportunity. Since January 26, we have been trading inside a well-defined horizontal channel. The absolute ceiling is 213 and the absolute floor is the 144–163 zone. Right now, screaming that the stock will move to new high or crash to zero is completely unrealistic. There are too many variables, but we must prepare for both micro scenarios. If the bears win the 144 supports breakdown, we could see slight towards the $115, and below that, the next major floor sits at $73. It's too early to panic about those lows numbers, but we must watch the support level carefully. On the bright side, If the market rotates and we manage to break and close the clean above the 313 resistance, then the doors open wide. The path 259 becomes a very easy target for the Coinbase hit. For now, patience is the ultimate strategy. Let's wait and see how the markets break these consolidation channels. If you enjoyed this detailed chart breakdown, please support Stock Valley by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. Your supports help us to stand out in the YouTube algorithm and allow us to reach more micro investors just like you. Thank you for watching. Keep your emotions out of the chart and wishing you all massive profits. See you in the next video.